Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've been away from the channel for a bit now. It's a couple of weeks, I think, since I posted one video. I had a bit of issues on my computer, so I decided to ditch my Windows computer and go to the Mac. So I got myself a iMac M4. Not the Pro, just the 24 gigabytes of memory and 500 and something of the storage. So I had to reset everything up, and I got a new little mixer for the mic. So I had to reassemble all that stuff and readjust all the settings, and hopefully you can hear me okay. So let's stop chatting and let's go ahead with continuing the modeling. So today what we're gonna do the case of the engine here. First things first, let's hide everything that I don't need so I can see what I am doing. So what I try to do is to do like sketch that one, project, and I'm gonna project that, and okay, then I want to, let me see if I can create a point as well in the middle. Should be able, not there. So let me draw some lines, and hopefully that is the middle. So I think now I can create a point there, and I delete the two line. So that should be the center. Hopefully, let me double test. We'll do that way actually. And then I can see where's the, oh, the center is actually here. So it was wrong. So let's delete that and create a point into there. Okay, and I can remove all of these. Finish the sketch. Now I'm thinking to have a construction plane built there and moved to the front here, roughly, and click OK. Then I can, oops, got a new mouse as well. Create a sketch there, and then I can project this little pointer here, click OK, and then from there I can create an inner circle, but this time I'm gonna switch it and see how far up I want it to push. So I'm gonna go quite high up. Let's see. That should do. Let me try, finish the sketch. And now I loft, do that too. Let's have a look. That's okay. I don't want to join. Let me do a new body for the time being. And then I'm gonna put some filleting in, like so. And click. Let's make this one an even number and press OK. So now we should have a, let me take the canvas off. That is pretty much done. Okay, so that's is all the parts now been sketched out. I think now is the time to prepare for 3D printing if I can do it. We got the front engine, a little bit of center. Let's see if I can center that one up now. So let's take the that's the body I want. Take everything off and if you hear some purring, that is the cat just getting in the way. Okay, let me put back the sketch, the front sketch. Oh, come on. Sorry, the cat is just pushing me. Okay, let's have a look if let me hide this one up and let me see if I can select all that and move the whole lot. Move the whole lot. Let's have a look. No, that's moving only that one. So do we selecting all these. And move. Okay, that seems to be okay. Let me put the sketch back in and I can do pointer to point, and I want to put that point to the point. Let's see if it works. It does. Okay. Now I can put the, let's rename this one engine case, and we have the one. Oh, I thought we had, let me, it's all one piece. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I may need to move it out. So let me put the engine case, let me put the opacity to 50 so we can see the where the engine is. So let's reselect them all and move. And then if I do from the right, I should be able just to move this one out. Enough for the propeller. Let's put it there. And that. Okay. Then combined capture position. That's the target body. I want that. And I want the cut. Okay. So now if I hide that, you have that there. for all that. Not strictly necessary. Well, no, it is necessary, but it's going to get hollowed anyway in the middle. So that's about it. I'll leave that one there in the 50% 50% opacity, so we can actually see the engine. And on the next video, we'll start to plan the structure for the whole length of the engine fuselage. That's the way I call it. So thank you very much for watching, and hope to speak to you soon. Bye bye.